Hi, I'm Jennifer.
And I'm Dennis.
And welcome to Salento. And we have a lot of updates for you today. We're actually up on the roof starting. It's a beautiful day. The sky is blue and it's really warming up down here in Galatina in Salento. So I want to give you an update on what they've done up here so far. And then we're going to go down into the house and show you what they've done there. And then we're going to go into the apartment and show you those. Okay, so now we're up on the roof and you can see now I'm standing on the deck that they've built, and that's going to be our view next door. Beautiful. So I'm going to turn around and show you everything they've done. So this is the final frame for the decking. And I'll walk over here and show you. It's really strong. This is like unbelievable. They welded. I'm going to show you everything they did here. They welded. Get a good look. Every joint. So it's really going to be nice and strong. And they built the stairs. So I'll show you the steps here. So if you can see, let me stand back a little bit. They're going to go all the way to the wall, nice and wide and nice and deep. So everyone can get up easily. And let me get a view of that other roof to show you what they've done over there. So let's just pan around. So it's really going to be nice. And I'll go quick up here. Oh, I wish I was a little taller. So off the roof, you can see down there on the roof of the mini apartment, they just put in today the aircon units for the basement, for the downstairs apartment, and also the mini apartment. So those three will power the apartment downstairs. So there's Dennis. Wave hi, Dennis. Hi. They've been doing things. So I'm going to go down the steps and I'll show you what they've done. Okay, so we're going down the steps and they're starting to put electric in. This is from the roof. And they're finishing off. This window got installed. And they're finishing this off so that when they cut it all, trimmed it, and they're gonna paint and cover everything. And that's gonna be coming out. They're gonna put a piece of stone there. The stair lights will be going in. This is all happening within the next week or so. Please be careful. And they fixed all of the stone here on the little patio off the kitchen. And there's a close-up of those aircon units. And that'll all be covered up on the wall so you won't see anything that'll be painted. Nice. They put in doors here. I'll show you from the inside because it's a little bright out here. And let me step back and show you this. So this is the mini kitchen. And everything here is pretty much getting finished on the walls. They took off all that old tile. And this part will have the little countertop with the backsplash that I think it almost goes all the way up. And then we'll have the hood for the little barbecue grill here. And the door and the window will go here. Right here, so the window and then a door. So let's go in. This is gonna stay open, that passageway that I just walked through. And I'll show you. So that's the door to outside. It has plastic on it. They're keeping it protected so it doesn't get dirty or any plaster or anything on it. And they covered up that hole in the kitchen that was that void in the back that we weren't going to use for anything. So they're making the wall nice and flat. And getting ready. Dennis, wave again. Say hi. And they closed up this wall. So now we're in the family room, the living room, and the aircon unit is now in the wall. So they built the wall around it, and now it's nice and flush and flat, and now they'll plaster over that again and paint. And you can see, if you haven't seen, so all of the tiling is done, and they took the doors off of the fireplace. Let's see, they're starting to cover up all of the trailing for the electric that they've done. in the walls. Yeah, I'll get to that. And the window is in, and if you look, you can see the wiring on top, because that'll be an electric window that will have a little button down here so that we can open and close that window, get some air circulating. This door is in to that little mini patio, and I think I can open that and show you. Yeah. So now we're out on that little mini patio off the back. And they're gonna put a door here also. But all that stuff can be done later. We want the inside done quick. So lock that door, and now I'll take you into the bathroom. And they did that window also. And these windows are really great, so you can open them if you want, or you can turn them up and just pop them open, just to keep them open for a little bit of air, which is nice. And they'll have screens on them. All of these windows will have little screens to keep the bugs out. And they put an LED strip on the top, and you can't see it, so it'll be hidden under there. And then when you light it up, it'll just light from underneath that edge, which is really nice. And they finished all the tile in here. Oh, it's really coming together. I'm so excited. I can't wait. They took off. You can see they've been working so hard in here. Let me get in a little zoom a little bit. Removing the paint off of these old lunettes. And I saw him the other day, he was just scraping away and scraping. It's a lot of work, but they're really gonna be beautiful when they're done. They'll go down to that natural color of the stone. So, here, let's see. So that's gonna be that air con. Let's go into the other room. We have the door here that goes out to that patio, and they put an LED strip under there to light up out there on that patio if we like. And on the top of this wall here, they put an LED strip. And they covered this side of the wall also. So now the wall is completely blocked off from the other room, and this is the bedroom, so it'll be nice and private. It'll be quiet in here, and if anyone's out there, it won't, there won't be another access. The only access will be the door that we're having put over there. So yeah, they've been covering everything up. You can see all the trailing. They'll get that final plaster going. And they did the windows in here. The last video I showed you this, so not much has happened in here, except they did put an LED strip in here across the top. And they're just gonna be finishing all of this up. So now we're getting down to the wire, right? It's getting exciting. And we're gonna leave these open. I haven't decided what we're gonna do with those yet, but we can do that after we're in. We might make them into little, just keep the space and put our wardrobe in front of it, or make it part of the closet. I don't know. We'll have to figure that out later. So that's it for the upstairs. We're gonna go downstairs, show you the downstairs apartment. Okay, so we're downstairs, and they just installed this door down to the apartment, and it's really nice and tall. And then there's a small window on top that will be motorized, that will be able to open up with the little switch and be able to open and let air circulate in there. And then I'm gonna come around and show you the door they put on the mini apartment. So this one is done also, and that window is gonna have a motor on it, right?
That one's gonna have.
So that window above the door will be motorized, and we'll be able to open it just to let air circulate in there. But that one will be fixed because it's too tiny. But they really came beautiful. And they did the new thresholds on the bottom of the door, and they're gonna get into the finishing now. They're gonna cover everything, make sure everything's nice and smooth, and finish it all up so it's really looks beautiful. And they're gonna do this wall also, something with it painted or fix it up so it looks a little nicer. So we're gonna go around the corner because the door is locked and we can't get in. So we're gonna walk around the corner and show you what the apartment looks like. All right, so we're downstairs now at the downstairs apartment, and they've cleaned off all the edges of the door so they can get the door frame in. And once the door frame goes in, then they'll build all around it to make sure it's all sealed. And Davide told us that they opened the doors in the middle like that. They carved that out so they could fit barrels through, which is, we won't be having any barrels down here. Well, I guess depends, right? A big party. But so here they finished this wall. Now they plastered over it, and they'll be coming down and cleaning up around the fireplace and everything. Take you into the bedroom right now. So this window is here. They have to, final fit it, but it's going to stay clear so that you get the nice view of the wall outside, which is so beautiful. And they finish this wall. And then I'll go in and show you in here. It's not too dark. So they're covering this because they want to finish plastering up the wall and everything, but the tile in here is done. And obviously all the tile in the bathroom. There's going to be a little LED strip right up on that shelf to help light that side of the bathroom. And then there'll be a light up there also. So this room will be nice and lit up. And so we'll come through to the kitchen. They installed the steps. So now it's not dangerous because that was scary for a while. And this is the blue mosaic that we had put in. They're really beautiful. And they go really nice with the stone. So this still has to get finished up, but they're done installing those tiles. And here's the door from the inside. So it's going to be frosted. You could see from the other side, it looks a little mirrored, but from inside it's frosted. So no one can see in. And there'll be a little LED strip up on the top there to help light the kitchen. So the kitchen will have a light over there on the wall, a little light in the nook area for the table, and a light on the top, which will be plenty because this room is, it's a nice size room, but it's not too big, so that'll be plenty. And then the kitchen will get fitted along this wall. Thanks for joining us today for this video, this update video. Hopefully we'll be done soon in a few weeks. This will be all completed, and we'll have another video coming to show you the progress that we have. So if you like this video, please click on the like.
And don't forget to subscribe.
And we're getting up there. We're almost at 1,000, right? So
almost.
Please keep watching our videos, and we'll see you soon. Take care.
Ciao.
Ciao.